is 7:53 p.m. in California, and in Chicago it is 9:53. The S&P in the September futures is trading 85 less, 42.85. Today, kind of the same as it's been the last few sessions. NASDAQ was holding up the market. Dow had a modest gain. Treasury bonds were holding around the $160 price. Gold was back in the 1750s and then recovered into the 1760s. Crude oil's been holding in the 73s. Overnight, it's up 50 cents, so it's starting to make its way back up again. Food prices, I didn't see any major changes. On the news front, nothing that made us move. Friday, we have unemployment. Thursday, we have the ADP number, and pretty quiet. I mean, Igor, you see anything?
No, nothing in the news, nothing overseas. I did confirm the U.S. strike on the Iranian-backed militia, but it didn't translate into anything significant in the market, as you can see.
Yeah, it's very summer-like market. Cubs game will make more people do something than the market right now. But when the air comes out of this, in the cash market, you have gaps from last Wednesday and Thursday that I think will be filled, and I think we're going to come down to the 42.40s, and then from there, flip a coin up or down. Outside of that, for tomorrow, for our core position, we are still short from 41.80, and we are hedged with the $4,300 puts. Against it, our basis is a positive 150. We're not going to make any changes to that. For anyone else that's looking to add new positions, I think selling the $4,300 puts versus the 42.60 calls is not bad. Igor, what does that look like right now? Overage.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready to answer that question. I need to
I think it's like it's less than $3. I think I was looking at it earlier. I'm doing this from the car at the moment. I'm running late, so I think that's safe because you're selling new highs, and that would be in the cash market 43.10. So I think it's a safe do. Anyway, let's reconvene tomorrow on the opening or a little after the opening and see where we're at then. For our
I just wanted to point something out. If you look at the weekly charts, and here I'm showing the weekly chart, all of the weekly chart at some point touches one of the faster moving averages. For this week, we're right now hovering in 42, 80, 90 area, but all of the moving averages right now around 42.20.
Yes,
So,
and if you remember, 42.20 when we were coming up was real hard to get through. 42.20, 25, and then it went to the 40s, and then 60 was hard. It was basically like every $20 we had to grind up. So same thing,
definitely,
right?
Yeah, I definitely feel that there is an error between the at least $20 to $40 error that we are in, that we this week should be able to fill.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, remember, our gaps always get filled. So anyway, let's wrap it up because there's really nothing interesting to talk about. So let's reconvene in the morning. As far as our hedges go, hedges get moved at 42.95, which would be 05 in the cash if it's open.
Very well.
Okay, you check in with the other folks because they're wondering if we're doing a call. I'm going to be tied up.
Okay.
Thank you very much, and send me a recording. Thank you.
Well done. Bye-bye.